friends, I am Amna. Thank you for coming back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some very useful tips. Do you ever get tired of scrolling and you feel like, damn, I'm very useless? I don't belong on this planet. I don't deserve to be here. Don't worry, I've got you. I have collected 25 great ideas which you can do, which will help you to be productive in your free time at home. Let's get started. Number first is organize or decorate your favorite spot in the house. We all have got a corner in the house where we feel like, damn, I can cry my tears over here, or where we feel the happiest version of ourselves. All you have to do is take your favorite things, whatever you like, lights or whatever it is, some quotes and drawings, and paste there and decorate that place. Number second is unsubscribe from unwanted emails. We all have intentionally or unintentionally subscribed to some very weird and useless email lists. Now is the time to unsubscribe from them so that they don't keep filling up your inbox. Number third is create your monthly budget list. I think it is a sign of maturity if you handle your money like an adult or a professional, because money is a very sensitive case, believe me. All you have to do is create some columns and rows and divide the parts in how much money you are earning, how much money you are investing, how much money you are saving, and how much money you are spending. This is your time to create a monthly budget list. Number fourth is uninstall useless apps. We all have got some very useless, at least 2 to 3 apps which we rarely use and are taking up lots of space in our phones. Now is the time to say bye-bye app. Number fifth is download useful apps. Now you must be thinking, Amna, just a second ago you were like bye-bye apps. Now you're like welcome apps? Yes, because you need some good apps in your phone, not the useless, rarely used apps. Like some apps which can calculate your calorie intake, which can count your footsteps, or a very useful and organizing app called Notion. Number 6 is organize your documents. We all have got important documents either on bookshelves, on the tables, in the drawers, or in between books. Now is the time to give them some respect. Believe me when I say this, that when you are going to need them, they will take their revenge and will not be found. So please give them some respect, keep them in different folders, write on the folders which kind of documents are inside them, and organize it. Number 7 is cook a new recipe. Believe me, I do this every time when I feel like useless person on this planet. I try to cook some things, and please don't create a disaster in your kitchen, otherwise your mom is gonna beat the shit out of you. So cook something, try different cuisines, and eat healthy food. Number 8 is throw away expired items. You must have never given a thought to this one. There must be some expired medications, some expired makeup, or expired ingredients. Please always throw away expired medicines and expired ingredients. What if you eat some expired medicines? I think your story will end over there. So please, you don't want that. Take care of whatever is expired and throw them away. Number 9 is learn to doodle. Whenever you are feeling bored, whenever you're free, you can doodle. Learn different types of art, sketching, doodling, because it helps to reduce brain fog. Also, doodling is so fun. Number 10 is practice deep breathing. Yes, deep breathing is so important. If you're feeling anxiety or some heaviness in your chest, some kind of stress, remember that you are alive and that you can breathe too. Take deep breaths and feel light. Feel the air in your lungs and in your mind and make your body feel light. Number 11 is fix up your backyard or clean some very unseen part of your house. Maybe your terrace or storage room where you usually don't clean. Please, this is the time that you clean that area. Number 12 is remove unwanted plants from your garden. Maybe your pots or maybe your garden. There, make sure your soil is not nurturing those unwanted weeds instead of your beautiful roses. Number 13 is try new hairstyles. Like whenever you are free, try different kinds of hairstyles. You never know which one is gonna suit your personality the most. It's like going on a quest to find your best hairstyle. Number 14 is listen to audiobooks. There are tons of free audiobooks available on YouTube and on Spotify. Listen to them because they helps in attention retention. I listen to many audiobooks and they have helped me immensely. Please go and listen to some audiobooks and tell me about your experience. Number 15 is do a skincare routine. Not all of that serums and sheet masks that come from market. Something that you can make at home. Mix up some ingredients from your fridge and apply them on your face. For example, mashed banana and honey mask. Number 16 is plant some new plant babies, like some flowers or some cute vegetables, or you can get some succulents. Number 17 is turn up the music and dance. Yes, you heard it right. Whenever you're feeling low, whenever you're feeling bored, whenever you're feeling free, turn up your music and dance. Number 18 is do some deep cleaning. And by this I mean maybe your curtains, maybe your last drawer, whatever it is that usually don't get the chance to look clean, please make them look clean now. Number 19 is organize all the pictures in your phones. And also do visit a folder called screenshots. Do you remember the last time you even saw what screenshot you took? Please delete all the unwanted files from your phones. Number 20 is polish your jewelry. We all have got some jewelry which has lost its shine. Now is the time to polish it and make it look shiny again. Number 21 is create a tiny first aid kit. Create a tiny first aid kit and keep it in your car and take it on your vacations. Number 22nd is go and help your neighbor. You can help them cook something or bake something with them, watch a movie with them, whatever it takes to strengthen your bond with them. Number 23rd is listen to podcasts. There are so many good podcasts available on so many platforms which can help you spiritually and mentally. Don't forget to listen my podcast called Right Now, available on many platforms. The link is in the description. Number 24th is watch a documentary. It's okay if you don't have a Netflix subscription. You can watch so many free documentaries on YouTube. The last thing is journaling. Buy a cute diary and journal your thoughts. Whatever you think, whatever you feel, write some good affirmations, write about all the love the universe has for you. Journaling helps reduce brain fog and brings so many positive thoughts. Start journaling and watch your life get better. Okay guys, so that's all that I had for you in this video. I hope you liked this video and please share it with some people. I really need to grow my channel and I need your support for that. Thank you for watching and bye bye.